Hello guys and welcome back to GoStack. Today we will learn how to burn DVD on Filmora. So, we have our sample video here. To burn it for DVD, go up here on Export, click on it, then go to DVD here. And here you have settings for your DVD, for example name, ratio, TV standard, quality and so on. You have two options. You can export this on your computer, or you can burn it directly on your DVD. As you can see, I don't have DVD, so I am unable to burn the video directly. That's it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.